Stop scrolling because you are about to see one of the most underrated ways to completely transform clothes without needing a full sewing overhaul. And it all comes down to something most people already have sitting in a jar somewhere: buttons. I was scrolling Pinterest and kept noticing how a simple button swap or creative button placement can take something basic and turn it into something that looks completely different. It is one of those tiny details that somehow changes the entire personality of an outfit. What I love about using buttons in upcycling is that it does not require perfection or advanced sewing skills. It is beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and honestly a little bit addictive once you start seeing what is possible. A plain shirt can suddenly feel custom. An old jacket can look redesigned. Even small changes like replacing buttons, moving them, or mixing styles can turn something forgotten into something that feels brand new again. I linked the Pinterest inspiration below so you can look through the ideas I found and check out patterns or examples for yourself. While you are watching, think about which idea feels the most creative to you, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning idea later in my own style and add a Ms. Angela Sawyer twist to it. So keep watching, because these button ideas might make you look at your closet a whole lot differently by the end of this video. As we go through these button upcycling ideas, I want to focus on something that seems small but ends up being surprisingly powerful. Small details change everything. Most people look at a shirt or jacket and think the whole thing has to be replaced to feel new, but sewing buttons tells a different story. A simple switch from plain buttons to something colorful, vintage, or mismatched can completely shift the personality of a piece. It stops looking like something forgotten and starts looking intentional, like something designed on purpose. And what is interesting is that nobody usually notices the change right away, but they always notice the feeling it gives. That is the real power of small details. They do not scream, they transform quietly. When you start playing with buttons, you begin to see how much control you actually have over the look of your clothes without buying anything new. A basic cardigan can feel elevated, an old coat can feel custom, and even a simple blouse can feel like a boutique piece with just a few stitches. The more you practice these small changes, the more confident you become in your creativity, because you realize you do not need a big transformation to make something meaningful. While you are watching these ideas, pay attention to the tiny changes, because those are usually the ones that make the biggest impact. If you are enjoying this, make sure to like and subscribe, because I share sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative projects all the time. I also have tutorial videos linked below from previous projects, along with other related ideas if you want more inspiration. You will also find links for items you might want to purchase, like sewing machines, sewing machine needles, and other sewing essentials that can help make these projects easier to start. Keep watching, vote for your favorite idea, and when this video ends, go ahead and watch the next one, because sometimes the smallest detail is what changes everything.